In the ever-evolving landscape of online community creation and course delivery, the choice between Skool and ClickFunnels has emerged as a pivotal decision for digital creators. This video dives deep into the unique offerings of each platform, helping you make an informed choice on where to house your online community and educational content. With a focus on key features, benefits, costs, and real user experiences, I aim to provide a comprehensive comparison of Skool versus ClickFunnels, especially for those interested in fostering engaging online communities. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Skool or ClickFunnels, make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. What is Skool? Conceived by entrepreneur Sam Ovens, Skool seeks to streamline the digital creator's workflow by combining course creation, community building, and subscription management into a single, cohesive platform. It's designed with the modern educator, influencer, and mentor in mind, offering a suite of tools that simplify content delivery and foster a sense of community among users. Skool's approach is holistic, addressing the creator's need for an engaging, interactive space where learning and discussion flourish. Features and benefits. Streamline course creation. Skool's intuitive course builder allows creators to effortlessly upload videos, structure lessons, and incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes. This ease of use ensures that creators can focus on content quality rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Dynamic community engagement. At the heart of Skool is its robust community engagement platform. Creators can initiate discussions, create polls, and foster a collaborative environment. This level of interaction is pivotal in building a loyal audience and enhancing the learning experience. Flexible monetization strategies. Skool provides creators with multiple avenues for monetization, from one-time course sales to recurring membership fees. This flexibility allows creators to tailor their offerings to their audience's preferences, optimizing revenue potential. Comprehensive analytics. With Skool, creators have access to detailed analytics that track engagement, course completion rates, and membership growth. These insights are invaluable for refining content strategies and ensuring that offerings resonate with the audience. Skool Pricing. Skool's pricing model is transparent and straightforward. At a flat rate of $99 per month, creators gain full access to all features, including unlimited courses and community members. This pricing strategy is designed to accommodate the diverse needs of creators at different stages of their journey, providing them with a scalable solution that grows with their community. Real user experiences. Creators who have made the switch from ClickFunnels to Skool often highlight the transformative impact on their community engagement. The platform's emphasis on interactive features and discussion fosters a more connected and active community. Users appreciate the seamless integration of course content and community interaction, noting that it leads to higher engagement rates and a more rewarding experience for both creators and learners. ClickFunnels Overview. ClickFunnels was founded in 2014 by Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson, who were driven to simplify the complex process of creating sales funnels. They brainstormed to envision a funnel builder that was both easy to use and effective, with Todd developing the platform and Russell marketing it. Their partnership combined technical and marketing expertise, quickly establishing ClickFunnels as a key player in digital marketing. While Skool is tailored towards educators, influencers, and community builders, offering a robust environment for course delivery and community engagement, ClickFunnels stands out in its ability to generate leads and drive sales. Its intuitive design and wide range of marketing tools cater specifically to the needs of businesses and entrepreneurs looking to convert their online traffic into tangible outcomes. The inception of ClickFunnels, rooted in simplifying the digital marketing landscape, showcases its commitment to making sophisticated sales funnels creation accessible to all, regardless of technical expertise. ClickFunnels Pricing. ClickFunnels offers 3 different plans you can choose from, and each has 2 payment options. If you go for the basic plan, it costs $147 each month if you pay month by month. But if you decide to pay for the whole year at once, it's cheaper at $127 per month. The Pro plan is a bit more expensive at $197 a month with the monthly plan option, but like the basic plan, it gets cheaper down to $157 per month if you choose to pay annually. The most expensive, the Funnel Hacker Plan, is $297 per month. However, if you're willing to pay yearly, the cost goes down to $208 per month. So choosing to pay for a whole year upfront can save you some money. Skool versus ClickFunnels, a detailed comparison. Community building and engagement. Skool is specifically built to foster and grow online communities, offering tools that encourage discussions and collaborations. It makes it easy for members to interact, share ideas, and support each other, enhancing the sense of community. Features like forums, live chats, and group activities help keep the community vibrant and engaged. In contrast, ClickFunnels is geared towards individual customer conversion, focusing less on group interactions and more on the buyer's journey. While it excels in driving sales, it lacks dedicated features for nurturing a community-focused environment. Content delivery and course creation. Skool excels in providing an environment where creators can offer interactive courses incorporating videos, quizzes, and discussions. This platform enables creators to engage learners deeply, making the educational experience more enriching and enjoyable. The drag-and-drop course builder in Skool eliminates technical barriers, letting creators focus on content quality. On the other hand, ClickFunnels is more about building marketing funnels and lacks the infrastructure for hosting and managing educational content. Its primary role is to facilitate marketing strategies, not to support the delivery of learning materials. Monetization and revenue generation. Skool and ClickFunnels both allow for monetization, but their strategies cater to different creator needs. Skool supports building a value-driven community where subscriptions and direct course sales can generate revenue, offering a model that emphasizes long-term engagement and value. This approach is beneficial for creators looking to establish a loyal community base. Conversely, ClickFunnels specializes in creating efficient sales funnels that maximize immediate conversions and sales, ideal for products and services requiring direct marketing tactics. Its strength lies in quickly moving customers through the sales process. User experience and accessibility. Skool prioritizes a seamless user experience for both content creators and their audience, ensuring easy access to courses and community features. Its clean, intuitive interface reduces learning curves and makes navigation straightforward for users of all tech levels. Skool's design philosophy centers around accessibility and ease of use, fostering a conducive environment for learning and interaction. ClickFunnels, while powerful for creating marketing funnels, has a user interface designed with marketers in mind, focusing on conversion rates and sales metrics. This makes it less intuitive for non-marketing purposes, such as education or community engagement. For creators dedicated to building and nurturing an online community, Skool presents a more compelling choice. Its integrated approach to course creation, community engagement, and subscription management offers a unique blend of features that foster learning and interaction. Skool's pricing model and comprehensive toolkit make it an attractive option for those seeking to expand their digital footprint and engage with their audience on a deeper level. In contrast, ClickFunnels remains a robust choice for creators with a focus on sales and marketing funnels. Its specialized tools for lead capture, sales page creation, and funnel management make it a powerful asset for product-centric businesses. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Skool or ClickFunnels, I'm going to leave my affiliate links down in the description of this video. Clicking on my links doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.